The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth, home to millions of species producing oxygen for our planet. But what if I told you that this lush green paradise relies on something that seems completely opposite, the Sahara Desert, a barren land, full of sand and scorching heat, maybe secretly keeping the Amazon alive. And it all starts with dust. Every year, enormous dust storms sweep across the Sahara. Billions of tons of fine, mineral-rich dust are lifted into the atmosphere. These tiny particles travel thousands of kilometers across the Atlantic Ocean, carried by powerful winds. Some of it finally lands in the Amazon basin. And here's the secret: that dust is full of phosphorus, an essential nutrient that plants need to grow. Without this desert dust, the Amazon soil would slowly lose fertility, and the rainforest could start to die. The Amazon soil is surprisingly poor on its own. Heavy rainfall washes away nutrients, leaving the forest dependent on a steady supply from outside. That's where the Sahara comes in. Dust storms act like nature's fertilizer delivery system, replenishing the Amazon's soil year after year. Billions of tons of desert dust make this journey every year, sustaining life for countless trees, plants, and animals. It's honestly one of the most unlikely partnerships in the natural world. A desert and a rainforest, working together across continents. Without this dusty connection, the Amazon would struggle to survive. And if the Amazon faltered, the effects would ripple across the planet. Less carbon dioxide absorbed means faster global warming. Loss of biodiversity could lead to extinction of thousands of species. Disruption of rainfall patterns would affect agriculture worldwide. The Sahara, seemingly lifeless and harsh, is actually a lifeline for Earth's largest rainforest. Think about it for a second. A desert, one of the driest, harshest environments on Earth, is secretly helping the greenest, wettest, most vibrant ecosystems survive. Wind, sand, and dust, a seemingly small and fragile link, keep an entire forest alive. It's nature's invisible highway connecting two continents, showing us that nothing on Earth exists in isolation. So next time you think of the Sahara as just endless sand, remember it's a secret gardener for the Amazon rainforest. Life is more connected than we imagine, and sometimes the driest places hold the power to sustain the wettest. If you want to explore more incredible secrets of nature, don't forget to subscribe to Life and Nature Matters.